Ever accidentally left caps lock on and typed an entire paragraph like you're screaming at your boss? Or maybe you pasted a title that's completely lowercase and now you have to retype the whole thing? Stop. Backspace is not your friend here. Let me show you a hidden Microsoft Word shortcut that fixes this in exactly 2 seconds. But before diving into the details, if you like such content, you can subscribe our channel to see similar contents. Only highlight the text you want to fix. Now hold down Shift key and tap F3. Watch what happened. I tapped it once, so everything turned lowercase. If I tap it again, you can see that it shifted to a sentence case. In this way, you can see that very first letter of the sentence is capitalized. If I tap it again, now again you can see that every single word in the sentence is capitalized. So let me turn it to a sentence case like this. You can see that the first letter of the first word of each sentence is capitalized. It's the sentence case. Now, quick warning, if you are using a laptop, a lot of modern laptops use the F3 key to adjust your screen brightness or volume. If you hit Shift F3 and nothing happens, you just need to add one more key to the mix. Hold down Shift, press the Fn, that is the function key in the laptop in the bottom left, and then hit F3. It works in Microsoft Word, Outlook emails, and even PowerPoint. No retyping required. If this just saved you a ton of frustration, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick workflow hacks, and drop a comment letting me know what shortcut I should cover next. See you.